GEV stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at GE of Vernova stock, bro, post market it's up there. It's almost 500, close at 485. I'm not sure if my rules are still here with GEV. Doesn't matter though, because when I'm looking at this thing, I'm just like, whoa, still looking to double down and buy more. I mean, at the time when I made the video, it was like $100, right? And you might think that I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, no. It was really like 100. I mean, at that certain... I mean, I'm even going to pull out the video, so like really no sweat. But you can see I was willing to double down and just waiting for rules. So how's it going to look like? Well, yeah, sure. Here's the video. That was 10 months ago. Yeah, 10 months ago. And that's when I started looking to take it further up. It was beautiful, right? $166. Here's that proof. I don't know why it's... Let's make it pink. And now since it's at 400, 500 almost. If you ask me, bro, I'm just still looking to buy more. Like, I'm willing to double down and get involved on the right side of the screen. There's not like right or wrong. It's just very subjective. But in my case, only if I do see the price correcting a bit lower and giving me some sort of a double break, then only then I'm going to be buying. Other than that, I'm not going to randomly get involved or do anything else. So if all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. So goodbye and enjoy.